These AI skeleton educational shorts are absolutely blowing up right now with millions of views. But here's the truth. I see people trying to pull off this style of content every day, and honestly, 90% of them are doing it in a way that just isn't going to work. They either break the visual consistency between scenes, so the skeleton looks like a different character every 30 seconds, or the narration feels flat and robotic, and that is exactly why their videos die at 100 to 200 views. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the exact method to build these high-retention skeleton shorts from scratch using Claude AI and Veo 3.1. This is not a theory, this is a working AI system, and I have already engineered every prompt inside it. Plus, at the end of this video, I am handing you a master Claude prompt that builds a complete 30-day content calendar for this niche. Topic ideas, scene structures, SEO titles, posting schedule, one paste, and it is done. But before I walk you through how to build it, let me show you exactly what you are about to create. If you eat poisonous food, your body reacts instantly.
You send toxins down your esophagus into your stomach.
You trigger stomach acid to break toxins apart.
You accidentally absorb toxins through small intestine walls.
You force the liver to filter dangerous chemicals rapidly.
You'll alert the brain to trigger nausea and vomiting.
You activate the immune cells to attack invading toxins.
You realize survival depends on what you choose.
All right, let's move on to creating these videos. Open Claude AI and paste in this master prompt. Because this is quite long, I'm going to leave the link to this prompt in the description. In the topic placeholder, type your subject. For this example, what happens when you eat poisonous food? Scroll down a little and fill in the other placeholder. Once you're done, hit send. Within seconds, Claude returns a fully structured scene-by-scene image prompt, video prompt, and narrations, ready to hand off to your image and animation tools. To proceed from here, we'd need a good AI image generator to generate these images, and for this, we'll be using Google Gemini. Go ahead and copy your first image prompt from Claude and paste it into Gemini. Select Create Image and change Model to Pro. Once you've gotten that, hit Send. As you can see, the image generated is good and matches the exact skeleton style. Now you can also use Google Flow or Sora to generate these images. All you need to do is go over to their respective websites, input your prompt, and generate. I tried all three of them and the results were amazing. Well-detailed and bright images, as you can see for yourself on the screen. Now with that said, let's move forward to animating these images. As I said from the early section of this video, we'll be using Veo 3.1 for the animation, and the easiest way to access that is by using Google Flow. So head over to Flow. Open a new project. Select Frames to Video. Before you upload anything, check the model selector. Make sure Veo 3.1 Fast is active. This gives you smoother motion without the long render wait. Set orientation to Portrait. Now upload your Scene 1 image into Frame 1. Go back to Claude, copy the video motion prompt for Scene 1 and its narration, paste it into Google Flow, and hit Send. In seconds, your Scene 1 clip is live. Make sure you download it and repeat the exact same process for Scene 2, Scene 3, all the way through. Now with your clips ready, let me show you how to edit these videos the right way. Head over to your preferred video editor. For my case, I'll be using CapCut. Import all your clips and arrange them in the right order in your timeline. Now, make sure to trim every dead frame, every silent gap, and every moment where nothing is moving. This is to ensure the pacing is tight. Add a title to your first video clip. In the text section, move over to Text Templates, then Titles. Pick a template that you like and write something bold and curiosity-driven. This title should run for the first 5 seconds of the video. It has one job: confirm the premise and create a question the viewer needs answered. Now, for this style of content, I do not recommend fancy transitions, so it's best to keep it very simple. Now, once everything looks smooth, you can now export the video. Now, based on what I promised from the beginning of this video, the Claude Niche Launcher prompt, I'm going to deliver it to you only when this video reaches 100 likes, so make sure to like and share this video to someone. All right, I think we have covered all that is needed for this niche today. So before you go, make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. Over and out.